We got bomb boys. Last guy has op, 59. It's a nigga. He's on peek. Nice. I really hate that you do this, but you know, like.
Sorry, I didn't
No. Let 52. I let him 61.
Well, there's 2 left, so you let the guy I didn't shoot. Yo, does he not have a kit? Does he not have a kit? Yo!